Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'll walk you through how to use Interactive Brokers mobile app step by step. So firstly, as you can see, you can open up the app and log in with your IBKR username and password. I'm just using a demo system. If you set up the two-factor authentication, you'll need to confirm your login with the IBKR mobile authentication prompt. And once inside, you'll land on the home page. As you can see, I am here now. And at the bottom, you'll see the navigation tabs like watch list, portfolio, trade, and more. So let us, for example, start with the watch list. So in here, you can search for stocks, ETFs, futures, or options by tapping the search icon and typing the ticker symbol. To add it to your watch list, just tap the star icon. Alright, so you can see, for example, we go to NASDAQ here and press on the favorites like this, and now we can see it in the watch list. Next up, we can go to the portfolio tab, and this is where you'll see your account balance, current positions, and overall performance. You can tap on any security you own to view detailed information like charts, fundamentals, and news. So for example, we have positions, options, balances. As you can see, I have this testing cash in here, and also we have orders. Alright guys, and now let's make a trade, our first trade. So you can tap on the trade tab, and now we can search for the stock or product you want, and now let us choose buy or sell. So for example, this one, now we can press on buy. Let's say we want to buy 100, order type, limit price if you want. Also you can show more options if you desire to pretty much customize your purchase, and then slide to submit and buy. Alright, so for example, let us buy 2000 and then purchase. Alright, so we're giving this warning, which is fine. Use this order. And as you can see now, order is submitted. We bought 2000 Amazon on limit 006. And now press on done. And as you can see, your first trading and first trade is complete. And also guys, another useful feature is charting, but I'm not really sure if it's available on the test version, probably on the live version. So the charting tool allows you to view real-time price movements. You can also adjust timeframes, add indicators, and even compare multiple symbols. And also we have the markets tab, as you can see right here, where we can see different markets. You can customize them. And after you make an order, as you can see, you go to your portfolio, orders, and in here, as you can see, I have purchased 2000 Amazon, and it's now displayed here. So that is the overview and a little tutorial for you guys on how to use IBKR mobile app. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If this was helpful in any way, make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we will of course provide you in return with more and more trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.